Hello children, in this video we are going to study about general form and general terms of an AP. AP means arithmetic progressions. In the last video we already studied about arithmetic progressions definition, what is arithmetic progression means, how we will represent the first term of the arithmetic progression. First term is represented by A and common difference is represented by D. Those all the things we learned. Today we are going to learn general form and the general terms of an AP. So we'll see that first term of the AP is represented by A and the common difference is represented by D. We already know that first term of AP is represented by small a and the common difference is represented by small d. Okay, I'll take one example and I'll explain you about a general form and a general term of an AP. Okay, you already know how we have to represent, means how we should write the AP. So I will write one sequence, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, here first term is 2, that is represented by A equal to 2. How we will find the common difference and whether the given sequence is AP or not, how we are going to find it? You will find second term minus first term. You have to find the difference here. Second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus second term. Like that we have to find the difference. If you are getting common difference, then only we can say it is a AP. That I already told you. So now D is second term minus first term is 2 here. 4 minus 2 is 2. So D is 2. And I am taking AP only here. AP means arithmetic progression only I am taking. So here A equal to 2 and D also equal to 2. So how we will write the general term of AP, general term of AP and general form of AP we will see now. See, general form means, see, if you are taking any example of AP, that example should satisfy that general form. Then only we can say it is a general form. I'll tell you how it is. By taking the examples, I'll explain it, then you can understand it. Okay, I already told you first term of the AP is represented by A and common difference is represented by D. So, first term also represented by A1. And one more thing I told you, first term of the AP is represented by A1, second term of the AP is represented by A2, third term is represented by A3. Like that, nth term is represented by AN. Okay, so first term is A. Also it is represented by A1. So second term, if you want to get it, second term is represented by what? A2. So you should write like this, A1, first term is equal to A. First term is also represented by A. Second term is A2. So for A, for the first term, if you add common difference, you will get the second term. Understanding what I am telling? First term is there. First term you can take anything. To form a AP, general form if you are writing means, to form a AP, second term if you want to get, you have to add the common difference to the first term. Then you will get the second term. So what I am telling, understanding, no? A. For the first term, you have to add the common difference. See here, first term is 2. For the 2 if I add means you'll get 4. Second term we got it. So A2 is equal to A plus D. Okay, like that. A3, third term if you want to get it, for the first term, we have to add 2 D's. D plus means for the second term, you have to add D otherwise. Okay, for the second term you have to add the D. So okay, better we will see like that. For the second term, if you add D means you will get the third term. So this is a third term. Second term, what we have? A2 we have. For A2, if you add D means you will get the A3. So A2, how we can write it? A2 I can write as A plus D, no? See, observe here, in place of A2 I am writing A plus D. So, plus D. See, in place of A2 I have written A plus D. plus d as it is I have written. So now how I can write this? A plus d is 2d. So a3 equal to a2 plus d, a plus d plus d. D plus d is 2d, a plus 2d. So a3 is what we got it. A3 is equal to a plus 2d. Next a4 we will see. A4 means for a3 we should add d. So always for the term if you add the d means you will get the next term. So now we want to get a4 means for a3 we should add d. Okay. Now you observe in place of a3 I can write a plus 2d no. So I'll write that a plus 2d plus d. See, in place of a3 I have written a plus 2d and d as it is I have written. So what we'll get then? A plus 2d plus 1d. Nothing is there means here 1 will be. So 2d plus 1d is 3d. So observe here a4 we just you observe. A1 we got a. This is a1. A2 what we got it? A plus d. This is a plus d means a plus 1d it is. Okay, nothing is there means coefficient will be 1. Okay, and then a3 is a plus 2d we got it. Then a4 is a plus 3d we got it. Okay, like that you tell me about a5 then. a5 is what? We'll see here. a5 is equal to a plus, can you just observe these sequences and you can say that? See, a2 is a plus 1d, a3 is a plus 2d, a4 is a plus 3d. So like that, one number 4 is there, here 3 is there. So a5 is a plus 4d, I can write it. Then a6 is a plus 5d, I can write it. So like that, a10 is a plus 9d, a100 is a plus 99d. So one number less you have to write in the formula. So like that you are going to get. So like that, if you are going on writing, finally an is equal to, n means any number you can take here. General term we are writing now. So an means any number, a1, n may be 1, 2, 3 like that, n may be 100, n may be 1000, n may be 1 crore, n may be 1 lakh, anything it can take it, but n means finite it is, sorry. N means finite number of terms will be there. An is equal to, see a as it is, I'll write it, plus n minus, because one number less, here 6 is there, 5 we are writing, 5 is there, 4 we are writing, 4 is there, 3 we are writing. So here n is there means n is general. From the n what you have to subtract? One number less. So n minus 1 I will write it. So into d, see here 5d is there, in place of n is there here, 6 is there, 5 here, n is there, n minus 1, because n may be anything, here 4 is there means 3 will come here, n minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 will come, like that we have to take it. So this is called as a general term of the AP. This is called general term of the AP. So in the exam they'll give some multiple choice questions. They will ask you what is the general term of the AP is dash. They will give the options there. So they may give a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus n minus 1 into d. This one you have to write it. This is called general term of the AP. See, I am explaining you general form and general term. Now I told you general term. If they ask general form of the AP, this is called general term of the AP. Now we'll see general form of the AP. General form of the AP is general form of the AP is A first term, A plus D second term, A plus 2D third term, A plus 4D fourth term, like that it will continue. Sorry. General form of the AP is A, A1, A plus D, A2, A plus 2D is A3, A plus 4D is A4, like this. So general form of the AP is A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 4D, so on up to this is called as a general form of the AP. And general term, if they asked, A plus n minus 1 into D. This is an important formula to solve the subs. Okay, if you want to find nth term of, 10th term of the AP directly. They'll give first term of the AP and the common difference of the AP. They'll ask you to find the 10th term of the AP directly. In place of n, 10 you should substitute. First term we will be knowing, and common difference also we will be knowing. Just in place of n you substitute 10, and here also 10 you substitute. First term and common difference they will give. You substitute and directly you find the 10th term of the AP. So only this formula is very important to find the terms of the AP. So it is called as a general term of the AP, and this is called as a general form of the AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 4D. A general form is in this form arithmetic progression sequence will come, like that they are saying. This is called general form, this is called general term. I hope you understood. Now we are going to exercise, first exercise. In that second main we will see now. In the first exercise of the arithmetic progression, second main we will see. First main also some word sums are there. That one if you want I'll tell you. In the next video I'll try to explain those. Now I'll explain the second main. From a second main I am going to explain you. Second main and third main I am going to explain you in this video. Okay, see this. What they have given second main. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given. Here first term and the common difference are given. We want to find, right, first 4 terms. First two, which are the first 4 terms of the AP? First one is A1, A2, A3, A4. Those are the first 4 terms of the AP. So first we will find A already given here. A1 is already given. A1 is what here? A only. A is 10. A2 is what here? A2 formula we know. What is A2? A plus D. For the first term you have to add D. Then you will get the A2. So A plus D. A is what here? 10. And D also they have given as a 10 only. 10 plus 10 is 20. Therefore A2 is 20. A3 is what? A3 formula we know. We can add, for 20 you can add 10 also. And one more thing I forgot to say you. See, you can write these formulas. I told you already. A is equal to A1. A2 is equal to A plus D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Or you can write A2 is equal to A plus D, A3 is equal to A2 plus D also we can write, or A plus 2D also we can write it. Don't get confused, just I'm telling, otherwise this only you follow it. Don't worry. If you are understanding, you follow this, otherwise you follow this only. A3 means one number less we should take. A plus, here A2 means A plus 1D we taken. So A3 means what? A plus 2D we will write it. A is what? 10. They only given, plus 2 as it is I am writing. In the formula it is there. So D is what? 10. In the bracket I am writing because between these two multiplication is there. So 10 plus 2 into 10 is 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. So third term of the AP is 30. Next A4 is equal to, A4 formula is A plus one number less, 3D is equal to, A is what? 10 plus 3 into D value is 10. So 10 plus between these two multiplication is the 30 into 10 is 3 into 10 is 30. So 40. These are the 4 terms of the AP. Which are those 4 terms? 10, 20, 30, 40. Like that you have to find it. Next we'll see the second sum. See, I hope you are understanding what I am telling. Okay. A is equal to -2 they have given. D equal to 0 they have given here. See, I already told you in the last video, if a common difference is 0, we can call that AP we will call as a constant AP, because we will get all the terms as the same there. A1, A2, A3, A4, all we will get same number, that is -2 we will get here. So only it is called as a constant AP. Number we will not change. So we will call that number as that's AP as a constant AP. So here see, A is equal to A1. A1 is what here? A1 is A, you should write it actually, -2. Then A2 is equal to A plus D, actually A is -2 plus 0. So what will get? -2. So A3 is also we will get -2 only. A4 also will get -2 only. So these are the 4 terms, means minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So it is called as a constant AP. Okay, we'll see the third sum now. A equal to 4 and D equal to minus 3. Observe here, minus is there. So A1 is equal to A is equal to 4. Then A2 is equal to A plus D. A plus 1D. Here A2 is there, so A plus 1D. So A plus 1D means A is 4. A plus 1D. A is 4. D plus only I am writing here, plus 1 into means here D is there, so you should write number at writing means if you are multiplying number and number, you have to put a bracket there. Here D we are writing as it is, but here this is variable, so we are writing as it is. Both constant, if you are writing, you have to put the bracket if it is multiplication. Okay, D is minus 3. Okay, carefully you observe and write it. Okay, 4 as it is I am writing, plus as it is I am writing. So here 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. In the bracket I will write it. Don't write without bracket here if it is minus. Now see, 4 as it is I am writing, plus into minus is minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, this is the A2. Second term is 1 here. Then third term we'll see. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. I already 3, 2. So A is what here? A is 4 plus 2 as it is I am writing in the bracket minus 3 because D value is minus 3 here. 4 plus into minus is minus, 2 3s are 6. So now you observe here 4 minus 6, which is bigger number here. 6 is a bigger number containing minus sign. So we will get 4 minus 6 or 6 minus 4 is 2. Bigger number is 6 here. It is containing minus sign. So minus 2. This is A3. Now we'll see A4. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Always these formulas you have to remember. So many questions they'll ask on this. Okay. Means in the exam you are going to get at least 1 or 2 marks will come on this also. A plus 3D is equal to A is what here? 4 plus 3 as it is I'll write. D value is minus 3 is equal to 4 plus into minus is minus 3. 3s are 9. So 4 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 4. So minus 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Bigger number is 9 here. So minus 5. So 4 terms of the AP are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. We'll see the fourth sum now. Here A value is minus 1 they have given. So A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 1. A2 is equal to A plus D. So A value is minus 1 plus here 1 by 2 fraction is there. So you have to take LCM here. What is see here nothing is there means 1 will be. So what is the LCM of 1 into 2? Here what I should multiply 2 minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1. 1 is minus, 1 is plus means you have to subtract it. So minus 1 by 2. Okay, like this fraction is there means you have to take LCM and subtract it. Okay, this is A2 we got it. Now A3 will find it. A3 is what? A plus 2D. A value what we have? Minus 1 plus 2 into, see in the bracket 1 by 2 I am writing. Okay, observe here, minus 1 as it is I am writing, plus as it is I am writing, here 2. If you multiply inside, 2 into 1 is 2 only. Inside it will go 2 will get cancelled. What will remain there? 2 will get cancelled means 1 will remain. So minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. Next A4 is A plus 3D is equal to A is minus 1 plus 3 as it is I am writing. D value is 1 by 2. Just observe it. Minus 1 plus 3 I'll multiply inside the bracket. 3 into 1 is 3 by 2. 2 as it is. Don't multiply with the denominator here. Nothing is there is 1. 1 into 2 is 2 only. Now I will take the LCM. 2. Here I should multiply 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3. What you'll get it? You have to subtract it. 1 is minus, 1 is plus. So 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2. Therefore, 4 terms of the AP are minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Okay. Next, last sum of the second main we'll see now. First one is A value is minus 1.25 and the D value is minus 0.25. It is there given in the point. We'll see that how we are going to solve it. So A1 is A, so minus 1.25. So A2 is what? A plus D. So minus 1.25 plus D value is minus 0.25. They have given minus 0.25 means, okay, they have given in the fraction means what you are going to do it. You have to see, one is, I'll solve it here, minus 1.25 is there, right? Minus 1.25 here, plus into minus is minus only 0.25. see, if you know direct addition means you add it, otherwise you write and add it, don't worry. Okay, like this you write it. See, both also having minus sign means you have to add it, right? 1.25, 0.25, add it because both also having minus sign. 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 2 5, 1.50. So or 1.5, 1 point after the point, any after the number 0 is there means it is not having the value. Remember that after the point, after the number, any value, any 0 is there means it is not having value. So it is 1.50. Next, A3, A plus 2D. So A plus 2D means A value is minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. Okay, here you see, observe here, 2 into you have to multiply these two. If you know, if you just write it, otherwise you multiply it. How to multiply also I'll show you just. But here plus into minus is minus only, it will become. So minus 1.25, here plus into minus is minus 0.25 into 2. We are multiplying. 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 0, 2 0 is 0. So where you will keep the point here? So 0.5 will come. So 0.5 I'll write it here. So minus 1.25 minus 0.5. How we will add that? I'll just show you how we will add it. Here I'll just add and I'll show you. Here I'll show you because, okay. Now what is there? What you should add? 1.25. Why we are adding? Both also having minus sign. So 0.50 only I'll write it. If you're getting confusion, 0 only write it. 5, 2 plus 5 is 7. So here 1.75. Okay. Next we'll see the A4. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So A value what we have? Minus 1.25 plus 3 into D value is minus 1.25. Okay, just I'll multiply and I'll write there. What is the multiplication? Just you see there. 1.25 into 3, no? 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 1s are 3. Right, okay. 3.75 will come. Sorry, this is 0.25. Okay, 0.25. So it will become 0.75 will come. So 3 if you multiply means what will get it? Minus 1.25 minus 0.75. So 1.25 and 0.75 we should add it. 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry. So it will come 10, 1 will come 2. So it will get 2. So just to observe here, first term of the AP is minus 1.25, second term is 1.5, third term is 1.75, fourth term is 2. One more thing I forgot here, or everywhere you should the minus sign, because both are having minus means we'll get the answer in the minus. So remember that minus 1.25 minus 1.5 minus 1.75 minus 2. These are the four terms of the AP. Next, we'll see the third main of the first exercise. That is, third main is what they have given here. Just to observe here, find the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. In the following APs, find the first term and the common difference. They are saying here first term is A. A is equal to 3. D, how we were going to find it? Second term, and they told here these are already APs. No need to find whether the given AP is means whether the given sequence is AP or not. They didn't ask here. They only saying they given the AP, find the first term and common difference. Sometimes what they will do, next main is there, fourth main they asked like that only. Whether the given sequence is AP or not. If it is AP, then you find the next term, next four terms, like that they asked the next main. But here they are only telling that the given sequence is AP. Only you should find first term and common difference. First term, this is their first, that is first term. Common difference, how we will find second term minus first term. So second term is 1 here. 1 minus means A2 minus A1. So A2 is 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. This is the first term is A, common difference is minus 2 here. D is minus 2. First term is A. Then, second sum. A is minus 5. D is A2 minus A1. This is A2. This is A1. So, A2 is what here? Minus 1. Minus, here also minus is there. In the sum also, number is having minus sign. So, minus 1, minus into minus is plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So common difference is 4. First term is minus 5. Next, third sum. A is 1 by 3. D is A2 minus A1. Always next term minus previous term you should do it. A2 is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. You should take LCM here. LCM is 3 only. So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 3. So D is 4 by 3 and A is 1 by 3. Next, last sum of the third main we'll see. A is 0.6. D is A2 minus A1. A2 is 1.7 minus 0.6. So 1.7 minus 0.6, will subtract it. 6, 1, 1. So 1.1. This is D. A is 0.6. Like this we are going to find the first term and common difference. In the next video we are going to study the first main if it is possible, or we'll study the fourth main of the first exercise. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button to get the notification of the next videos. Thank you. Bye.